Hey guys, I'm Charles Neal. Well, we've been certainly busy here at the end of the year, and I don't know about where you're at, but it's tad cool here. It's like 4 degrees, and I know a lot of you guys it's a lot worse. But I want to give you real quickly 2 finishing tips. The first is, no matter what you do, when you finish something and you want that butter, feel like warm butter, but sometimes there's just a little bit of, just not quite what you want. Something as simple as a brown paper bag or a piece of craft paper, and just use it to buff it. And she feels like glass. Okay, tip number 2. Now that we're in the dead of winter and it is cold, if you're doing a film finish, particularly lacquers, water-based, you got a situation that's called cold cracking. And it's simply put, when something that's finished, you subject it to really frigid temperatures to finish on it for any period of time. The finish on it can crack. I had a situation, we had a table and it was finished in a pre-catalyzed lacquer, and it was shipped from here to Chicago. And when the people moved, and it was left sitting on a moving van for 3 or 4 days and below 0 temperatures, and when they took it off the truck, finish on it had cracked all over the place. Again, the term is cold cracking. And I'm just giving you a quick alert. Be careful with that, okay? Protect your finished stuff. Got it? Okay, I'll catch you later.